Welcome everyone, and thank you so much for joining in this very important update here on price action of Bitcoin. As we can see guys, the price of Bitcoin, just like anticipated, got attracted towards the 61,000 support range, which I was shouting since couple of days. I mean, I was very clear in the medium short term this 61,000 could be attracting us before deciding the trend duration. And if you look at it right now, we came at the 61,000 and now the price of Bitcoin is showing a relief rally. But is this an actual relief rally, or is it just a temporary rally before breaking here to the downside? What to expect next? So before I start talking about it, I want you guys to do me a favor and quickly destroy that like button. And to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And also a quick reminder, if you haven't claimed this free 500 USDT futures position airdrop from Bybit, and additional to that another 200 USDT futures position airdrop from Bybit, then definitely check the video description. Now, first thing first guys, this is very important. Around 2.9 trillion wiped from stocks in a day as recession fears mount. Yes, the stock market is bearing the brunt of recessionary concerns in the United States, with most equities registering significant sell-offs. Particularly in a staggering blow to the markets, around 2.9 trillion was wiped from stocks in the early trading hours of August 2nd amid mounting fears of global recession. The sharp sell-off marks the worst day since 2020 COVID-19 crash. Yes guys, market, not just only the crypto market, even the traditional market doesn't look that good. I mean, if you look at indices, S&P is down around 1.84%, Nasdaq around 2.38%, Dow around 1.51%. Even stocks like Nvidia is down around 1.78%, Apple is barely holding, Amazon down around 8.78%. Even ETFs, you can see SPDR S&P 500 is down 1.86%. Vanguard total stock market, you can see, is down 2%. Invesco around 2.37%. So the sell-off what we are seeing in traditional market could be the reason why the price of Bitcoin is also free falling. And now since we have reached one of the most important support line, I was shouting on top of my lungs that in the medium short term 61,000 could be attracting us before choosing a trend duration. And this is exactly where we came, right? This is exactly where we came, and now we want to see whether it is going to turn out into a reversal pattern like this. But if we look at the traditional market guys, I think it might get worse, because now this support which held us around 61,000 might be breaking again. I mean, price, even after reaching the price opportunity from this double top, even after reaching the price opportunity from this ascending broadening wedge, now it could be preparing itself for another pullback. Yes guys, the price of Bitcoin here is following another bearish continuation pattern, and we know the support from this broadening wedge have already been broken, which could be preparing ourselves for another continuation like this. And why this bearish continuation for the upcoming days could be on the line, because right now the price has also broken below this CPI line, which is a very dangerous sign. I mean, price was supposed to remain above this CPI line, but in our case, this top, central and the bottom CPI line failed to hold the price, and now we are clearly below it. So if the price of Bitcoin fails to regain its trend above 62,000, then guys, this is going to be resulting in another continuation like this. I mean, if the price fails to find proper support over the 60 to 63,000, the upcoming days unfortunately could be favoring the shorts, and we could be also getting attracted towards the first price opportunity for this month of August, which sits around 55,000 range. Yes guys, unfortunately this 55,000 could be attracting us if the price fails to find support above this CPI line. And now, beside this example, even if you look at this symmetrical triangle with a false breakout, this symmetrical triangle with a false breakout did show us that we might see, right, few more shakeout, but at the end price is expected to continue with this uptrend. But if you look at this Williams alligator indicator carefully guys, it is about to flash a bearish crossover. Yes, green line appearing at the bottom, blue line at the top, usually results in a bearish move, and we have seen that happening again and again in the past price action. Blue line at the top, green line at the bottom, has resulted in a bearish move. So if the Williams alligator indicator is going to turn bearish, then we have to be careful, because in that case, even the support which you have around 61,000 could be breaking out. So please guys, please be careful. Do not overlap with yourself. Use proper risk management, because market right now could be very, very volatile. And now, not just only this, even the indicators to the downside are confirming this bearish move. Unfortunately, this RSI has dropped below 50. We formed a bearish divergence. MACD also is turning bearish, because this is a bearish MACD cross, and T3CCI already in a negative territory. So you can see indicators are turning bearish, and it might be also resulting in furthermore pullback, because we know, looking at the overall market, looking at what's happening in the traditional market, right, overall market, you can see it looks like the price of Bitcoin might be breaking below the support from this 61,000. Yes guys, it looks like the price of Bitcoin could be preparing itself for another continuation towards this lower trend line. Yes, breaking below 60,000 means we could be preparing ourselves for another continuation towards this lower trend line, which is again going to pull the price of Bitcoin around 50,000, which we strictly want to avoid. So we need to see whether the 60,000 support remains, because breaking below that means parallelly we are also going to break out of one of the most important support which held us very, very strong in the past price action. You can see whenever the price of Bitcoin found support at this curved trend line, it resulted in a very bullish move, and same thing could be happening here, right? I mean, remaining of 60,000 means the price could be preparing itself for another continuation. Price could be following this descending broadening wedge, a bullish continuation pattern like this. But for that, 60,000 must remain, because breaking below that means this bullish continuation will get invalidated, and parallelly price will also invalidate this reaccumulation phase from Wyckoff. Yes guys, unfortunately this bullish continuation scenarios will get invalidated if the price breaks below 60,000. And looking at the overall picture, looking at the overall sentiment, you can see it does looks like 60,000 will be retested, and price might unfortunately also go lower. So this is what I wanted to share with you in this quick update. If you enjoyed my vlog, then please guys, do not hesitate to destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And also a quick reminder, if you haven't claimed this free 500 USDT futures position airdrop from Bybit, and in addition to that another 200 USDT futures position airdrop from Bybit, then definitely check the video description, because this event is temporary. If you are an experienced trader, if you want to take advantage of this market volatility, then the time to act is now. And by saying this, I'm signing out until next time. Bye bye.